My dad is behind the camera. His name is Louis Sardinia. We were doing an experiment. Sorry about all the mess because we were working. We're doing an experiment of a fidget spinner on a stick. First, you take off the top of the fidget spinner. Then you grab a stick. You go to your dad's garage and you grab like a stick with a bolt, and then with a nut on it, and then you put the fidget spinner on it, and then you grab a nut, and you put it a little bit in, so you gotta keep on going, and then you grab one of these, and then you
just tighten them up, tighten them up. Just leave one, only one, pick it up. All the way, go all the way, go all the way.
And then you gotta put it all the way, Take time. And then you grab a air compressor.
First you gotta tighten them up a little bit.
You gotta tie them up a little bit.
Let's see.
My dad's gonna do this because I don't know how to do it.
Hold this.
He's helping me. You gotta really tighten it up. If my dad's doing it right here. It's a piña.
Now tighten it, hold it. And we're going to use another pliers.
And then you got another pliers and you got to tighten it really up. Then that's it.
Take it off, let me see. No, you got to push it right here.
You got to go really tight on the thing. And then you let it go and you see if it spins. If it spins,
that's it?
That's it, but you need an air compressor.
And then what?
You put the air on it, and it goes at like 1,000 miles an hour, and it will balance on the tip.
Okay, let me get this. Hold this.
Look.
What is this?
Air
blower.
Air blower. For 1,000 miles an hour fidget spinner. My dad is putting the thing on it.
And then what?
You blow.
No, put it on the hold it like this.
You blow. No.
Yeah, inside.
You go like this.
Slowly.
You hold it slowly.
Slowly.
First you go slowly. You go slowly first. You go really fast.
Let go. Oops.
That was it. Again. I want to go.
Slowly.
Slow. Now I'm going to do it.
Oopsie.
Ah!
You okay?
Yeah. That was another thing.
You see?
That hit my hand.
Okay.
God.
You know why?
Why?
I think because it's too high.
Yeah, that's what I was going to say, Papi.
Okay. What we're going to do...
We got to lower it a little bit down.
Yes. You see the other players.
And that was the second. Two of the second were fails.
Put up. A little bit enough. You know they're not going to stay in the center. Oi!
Sorry.
Jan, you're live.
Sorry. Hello. The air compressor is really strong. And look.
Yeah, okay, we know that. Pay attention to what I'm doing.
Yeah.
We're gonna lower
the bolts.
Center of gravity.
The center of gravity.
Center of gravity.
Center of gravity.
Why? So it stays more stable.
Stable. It
Stabilized.
more stabilized.
Exactly.
If it's more stabilized, it balances more and it goes more.
Balance better.
Balance better. Okay, ready? Happy? Okay, ready? You gotta tighten it up first. Remember, you're supposed to tie it up every single time. Tie it up really, really hard, really, really hard. Are you ready?
Slowly. Let go.
That didn't work again! Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Slowly. Let it.
See?
I'm trying myself.
Okay.
No, don't grab it. Let me see. If it go too fast.
If it goes too fast, it will fly off. It'll fly off.
And it balances
It balances
on its own.
Now, one thing we're gonna do now, we're gonna balance it on my hand. Go slowly first. See, it works.
Just like a trompo.
Like a trompo. Bye bye. Give it a